Welcome to an extraordinary opportunity, an exclusive waterfront estate that offers unparalleled privacy, elegance, and luxury. Nestled along the shimmering waters of Middle Harbour, this iconic property on Sydney's prestigious lower North Shore represents one of the most exceptional family homes to ever come to the market. Spanning over 3,400 square metres, this estate is the largest single landholding in Northbridge. It offers over 1,200 square metres of opulent living space, harmoniously surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens, a private jetty, boatshed, and a stunning pool. The location alone, with its spectacular waterfront views, positions this residence as an unrivaled gem in Sydney's luxury real estate market. As you enter the home, you are greeted by the expansive grand living area. Soaring 3.5 metre ceilings create a sense of grandeur, while panoramic views stretch across Middle Harbour to the iconic Spit Bridge. The space effortlessly flows out to a vast entertainer's terrace, making it perfect for hosting lavish gatherings or simply enjoying the serenity of the surroundings. The gourmet kitchen is a masterpiece of design, with its luxurious colour-cutter marble benchtops, top-tier Miele appliances, and a dedicated butler's pantry. It caters to both the culinary enthusiast and the entertainer. A sophisticated office with outdoor access, along with a refined den featuring its own private balcony, completes the main level's offerings. The second level is dedicated to ultimate comfort and privacy. The lavish master suite offers commanding water views, a private terrace, and a spa-like ensuite fit for royalty. 4 additional bedrooms, each with its own ensuite, ensure that every family member and guest enjoys both space and seclusion. This level also boasts a state-of-the-art gym, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and a commercial-grade laundry. For entertainment and relaxation, the lower level features a stunning entertainment zone with expansive terraces and breathtaking water views. This estate is also equipped with cutting-edge smart home technology, including integrated speaker systems, reverse cycle air conditioning, and a comprehensive CCTV security system. The beautifully manicured grounds offer a sense of tranquility and grandeur. Mature trees, lush lawns, and hedged gardens provide a perfect backdrop to the sun-drenched pool. The private jetty and boatshed with mooring facilities completes this waterfront paradise. Located in one of Sydney's most exclusive enclaves, just moments from world-class schools and pristine harbour beaches, this estate offers a lifestyle of sophistication and luxury. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own one of the finest pieces of real estate in Sydney.